Hey everyone, welcome back. If Bumble shows you something went wrong error or message, here's how to fix it. Start by checking your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Also, if you're not able to do that, make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi. This error often happens when the app cannot reach Bumble servers. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Bumble, and then swipe it away. Then reopen it. If the error proceeds, restart your phone. Next, make sure your Bumble app is updated to the latest version. Head over to your app store, search for Bumble, and then make sure to update your app. Outdated apps can trigger random errors, so updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. If the issue continues, you're going to log out and log back into your Bumble account. Make sure that you use the account that you had used before. This resets your sessions. Most something went wrong errors disappear quickly after a quick refresh, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.